antiques, my friend. This one all antiques.
This one?
Yeah,
Oh,
silver, gold, everything.
this one how much?
This one 400.
Cancel in the Philippines, this one.
Huh?
This one. Cancel in the Philippines.
Yeah, you buy them to me and you sell it there.
Antique guys, mga antique sa Hong Kong. Ito 400 daw, 400. Sa Pilipinas na sa mga 3,000.